Well, you need a few things to create thunderstorms, one of them being moisture, one of them being unstable air. And we've got a little bit of both, right? Really a lot of moisture for sure. The humidity out there is just making it feel so uncomfortable. But on top of that, we're kind of lowering that high pressure a little bit. And each day we'll kind of see a lot of this, see little pop-up showers and thunderstorms, but not widespread in coverage, really just a pop-up here or there. And that's about it. Really, the activity so far today has been east of Interstate 75. You see the one right there south and east of Sandy Hook. It is a thunder shower with a lightning strike. One cell right there that's kind of falling apart between Menifee and Western Morgan, but still putting down a little bit of moderate rain. The one you see here was actually a cell attached to this at one point, but then kind of broke off and heads south. And so Campton got a little bit of a wash from that, but not much. It is light. Another pop-up that is gaining strength is the one you see out there in McKee in Jackson County and Sand Gap, likely getting a little bit of a downpour as well. But that's it. Everywhere else, it's just your fair weather cumulus. You see how the entire region is just high pressure everywhere. So that's why things are calm and quiet for our neck of the woods, whereas to our north, to our west, and to our south, things are a completely different story as far as rain and thunderstorm activity goes. On the future track, putting into play and showing that by the afternoon tomorrow, we may have a little bit more coverage, but still very isolated in those showers and thunderstorms. So you can expect a lot of what we've had today. Hot, humid, and a pop-up every once in a while. Into Wednesday, we're going to get a little bit more coverage. And this way, a lot more areas are going to have a chance to have a little bit of a downpour come through. Cloud coverage will be a little bit more widespread as well. So Wednesday is kind of the kickoff of the active weather coming up this week. And then Thursday, getting closer to that front, you can see the clouds of it already on the future track, but eventually sliding down south and east, we'll see a better chance for rain coming through. You notice that we had a sunny few days with us over the holiday weekend, but it's been kind of hazy. And while most of you may think that that's from the fireworks, it's actually from some fires that are happening up in Canada. In fact, with our national smoke layer, what you see here are the actual fires and the thick smoke that's coming off of them. But because we've had high pressure off to our west, it's been funneling all of that smoke right down into Kentucky. And so that's why it's been pretty hazy out there. Some areas getting a little bit more than others, but it doesn't seem like it's going to go anywhere tomorrow, likely on Wednesday, maybe Thursday. That front will kind of clear things out, but it's going to be hard to do. So we'll see what happens. Temperatures in the low 70s overnight tonight. Going to be a warm, muggy overnight, and then another hot and humid one for tomorrow. We get partly cloudy skies with a chance for a few pop-ups coming possible to the afternoon. But really the activity kind of holds off until Wednesday. That's a little bit more scattered in nature. Thursday, there's your widespread rain and thunderstorms. Also going to be pretty cloudy. Temperatures will back off a little bit, but it's not going to be that front that brings in the cooler, drier air like what we had at the beginning of 4th of July weekend. So you can expect warm and muggy to continue pretty much all the way throughout next week, but also the showers and thunderstorms that will come along with it because now we have unstable air. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, pretty decent chances for rain. We'll start to see that taper off as we get into the middle of next week.